Hello friends, join me as we draw Bubba Bubbaphant today. First, let's draw the shape of Bubba Bubbaphant's eyes. Next, his S-shaped trunk. Then, his mouth and tongue. Let's color his eyes and mouth with black. Bubba Bubbaphant, the bubbly and friendly character from Playtime Company that kids will adore. I'm drawing the shape of his face. Then, his big ears. Bubba Bubbaphant is a big, lovable elephant covered in colorful bubbles. With each step, bubbles float and pop around him, creating a magical spectacle wherever he goes. His eyebrow. Let's draw his arms and hands. He is wearing a light bulb pendant. Then, the shape of his body. I'm drawing his legs and feet. Lastly, his long tail. And now, let's add color to Bubba Bubbaphant together. His tongue is light red. Bubba Bubbaphant is a blue elephant. His ears, the tip of his nose and hands are dark shade of blue. His light bulb pendant is yellow. Despite his enormous size, Bubba Bubbaphant is as gentle as can be. He's always careful not to step on any toes or bubbles, and loves making new friends with his kind and friendly demeanor. His feet and the tip of his tail are dark shade of blue as well. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.